there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's learn Japanese together. Today we bring you lesson 32 on asking how to get to your destination. American ninja fan Mike took a highway bus with his friend Kaito to Uenoshi Station in Mie Prefecture. At a rental clothing shop nearby, Mike changed into a ninja outfit, and the two of them headed to the Ninja Museum.
Listen to the skit for lesson 32.
Mike, 似合うね。かっこいい。
嬉しいな。すみません。忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？
この道をまっすぐ行ってください。博物館は左にあります。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
さあ、行こう。
Now, let's examine the meaning line by line.
Kaito compliments Mike on the ninja outfit.
Mike, 似合うね。
Mike, it suits you.
かっこいい。
You look cool.
Mike replies,
嬉しいな。
I'm glad you like it. And he asks a passerby,
すみません。
Excuse me.
忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？
How can I get to the Ninja Museum?
the passerby answers,
この道をまっすぐ行ってください。
Go straight down this road.
博物館は左にあります。
The museum is on the left.
Mike says,
わかりました。
I see.
ありがとうございます。
Thank you very much.
Kaito calls on Mike.
さあ、行こう。
Okay, let's get going.
Well, the museum doesn't seem to be too far away.
It's not. Only 10 minutes or so on foot from the station. There are several shops that rent ninja attire in the area.
Today's key phrase is, how can I get to the Ninja Museum?
忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？
If you remember this pattern, you'll be able to ask how to get to your destination.
Let's break down the meaning. Ninja 博物館 is ninja museum. まで is a particle meaning to. どう行ったらいいですか means how can I get there? Today's point is asking how to get to your destination. State your destination, add the particle まで and finish up with どう行ったらいいですか？行ったら is the verb to go, 行く in the conditional form. Try to just memorize the phrase as it is.
Now listen and repeat out loud.
どう行ったらいいですか？忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？
Got it? Now listen to a tourist asking how to get to his destination at a bus stop in front of Kyoto Station.
すみません。金閣寺までどう行ったらいいですか？101番のバスに乗ってください。
Now here's the meaning.
すみません。
Excuse me?
This expression is used to get someone's attention, remember?
金閣寺までどう行ったらいいですか？
How can I get to Kinkakuji Temple?
金閣寺 meaning 金閣寺 Temple is the destination.
101番のバスに乗ってください。
Please get on bus 101.
101番 means number 101. Bus is bus, and 乗って is the te form of 乗る to get on. So, 乗ってください means please get on.
All right then. Listen and repeat out loud.
どう言ったらいいですか？金閣寺までどう言ったらいいですか？すみません。金閣寺までどう行ったらいいですか？
Now let's try asking how to get to other places. Imagine you can't find the way to your hotel. Ask for directions while pointing at a map. This hotel is
このホテル。このホテル。
Start with
すみません。
Okay, give it a try.
すみません。このホテルまでどう行ったらいいですか？すみません。このホテルまでどう行ったらいいですか？
How did you do? In today's Step Up, we'll learn how to express directions.
First, right is 右 and left is 左. Listen and repeat. 右 左 Next, straight is まっすぐ. Listen and repeat. まっすぐ Go straight down this road is まっすぐ行ってください. If you need to turn right, use the verb to turn, 曲がる. 右に曲がってください means please turn right.
With that in mind, listen to the skit once more.
マイク似合うね。かっこいい。
嬉しいな。すみません。忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？
この道をまっすぐ行ってください。博物館は左にあります。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
さあ、行こう。
ミーヤーのトラベルガイド
It's time now for Mia's travel guide. Mike and Kaito took a highway bus to Mie Prefecture. Traveling by bus takes time, but it's rather budget-friendly. So today's topic is Japanese highway buses.
A highway bus can take you directly to many destinations. If you take an overnight bus, you'll save time because the bus is moving as you sleep.
What kinds of places can you go to?
Well, you can go to many places. For people leaving from Tokyo, some popular direct routes are those to major cities such as Nagoya, Osaka, and Kyoto. Also, sites such as Mount Fuji, Hakone, and Kusatsu Onsen Hot Spring.
How do you make reservations?
You can do it online and maybe even choose particular seats. Luxury buses are more expensive, but some of them offer more legroom, while others offer individual compartments. Bus travel is another option to consider for your travel around Japan. Hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Join us again next time.